In this example, we are installing a data flow probe that would connect to OBM, OMI in the past. And here it would be, well, maybe a little bit different. I'm not sure how it goes, but it would be used mainly to connect to the UCMDB server or to APM for APM integration, but yeah, mainly for APM integration. So because we would need to have an APM for this integration to work, then we just installing this data flow probe on the APM DB because it's not a very busy server in our specific setup. Although in production environments, I would recommend to put it in some other places, like a dedicated server or maybe some agent server, something not very production like, especially not on a database. But our setup is very unique. We have OBM that functions in one way or another, but in a scenario where we do use OBM and APM, then APM DB would be present at all times. So having a data flow probe there kind of makes sense in this specific scenario. So same as with the UCMDB data flow probe, we will keep the defaults and see how it unfolds. Click on OK. Next, and now it's gonna be a bunch of passwords. So it's full data flow probe installation, new installation, default folder, BSM. So it's not going to be connected to Universal CMDB, it's going to be connected to BSM. And we are going to say it's going to be obm.exclusive.com. Probe address APMDB, yeah, sounds fine to me. Okay, return to previous page. Right, so there's a mistake, exclusive. Let's see, it's testing the connection and it should probably work. At least it takes more than 1 second, right? Okay, it's connected, identifier APMDB, yes. Separate mode no, keep the default settings. It's not going to be a busy data flow probe, so no need to increase the Java heap memory. Okay, passwords. Now, I could do a copy paste, but there is certain music to it, to type in long passwords really fast. Right, there we go. Last password. Okay, it didn't match. Same as before. Seems that typing 6 passwords in a row correctly is my upper limit. There we go, install. Now we just wait for it. Okay, so do not remove user group access privilege. And we are clicking on done. And we can actually power it on. So let's give it a sec. Close those windows. Click. Say data. Come on. Data flow. That's a little bit. UCMDB, no. Okay, probably it wasn't indexed just yet. So we'll go to the bottom of it, UCMDB, and start the data flow probe. Okay, there it goes. It's going to take it a couple of seconds. So this concludes the data flow probe installation for OBM. And in OBM, we would see this data flow probe is connected when we check it.